Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition replacement rear door latch cable and rod. This rear door latch cable and rod works for various Ford vans, including the E150, E250, and E350, which can include the Club Wagon, Econoline, and Super Duty vans from years 1992 to 2014. To confirm this fits your van, check the full listing below. What your rear door latch cable and rod do is they make sure you can effortlessly open your rear door on your van. Should your cables be worn, the rods get bent, chances are your rear doors aren't going to easily open. And over time, it's only going to get harder or impossible to access your van through the rear doors. While this replacement rear door latch cable and rod is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as it was designed to be a direct replacement, thanks to, of course, the factory mounting locations and the OEM styled cables and rods. However, this does have redesigned internal mechanisms for increased life expectancy. If you have any questions about this replacement rear door latch cable and rod, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.